Stern has returned from the DL in 5 innings, gave up 9 hits, 6 runs, 5 were earned. He didn't walk anybody, struck out 3 and gave up the home run that would go for
Well done.
Well, you have to wait and see.
Long run, Blanco knocks it down. He's going to throw it third. Save. Excellent play by Blanco. He knew he had no chance at Bourne. Tried to get Pulcino third. As he just rounded
Yeah, she's just taking a bath.
Great awareness by